Hello, everyone.
What's in Polly's suitcase, Granny?
This is Polly's food. George, this is Polly's food.
It's about drive, it's about power.
Can you guess what Polly likes to eat best?
Choo-choo!
No, not
Choo-choo!
Polly likes Polly's food.
Can I feed her?
It's very important not to give Polly food.
Yes, Grandpa Pig.
Polly's having a lot of fun.
George, that is too much birdseed. Polly will grow very big and burst like a balloon. Pop! George.
Nice. It's very important not to give George food.
Oh dear, George has forgotten to close the door. Oh dear. Oh dear, I wonder where George is going. Oh dear. Oh dear, please close the door already.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
That is manure.
Polly's not here.
Maybe we should try the garden. Look, what's that?
What has Mummy Pig seen in the garden?
Strawberries.
Grandpa!
Look. Strawberries.
What's that noise?
Daddy Pig's mobile phone is ringing.
What? Delicious. What?